wabarakatuh. Respected guests and the audience, Happy Independence Day to all of you on this historical day. I want to shed some light on freedom of India. Friends, we should not forget after that along the struggle, we got freedom from British rule in 1947. Remember, countless people from Hindu, Muslim and other communities sacrificed their lives to free India. Friends, here is an important question for our nation. Was it possible to free India without united efforts? I repeat this question. Was it possible to free India without united efforts? Friends, the clear answer is no and never. Here is again another question. Then why do we discriminate among different communities? Why some people are deprived even from their basic needs? Friends, these are the questions for our government and the political leaders. They will have to find this soon. Otherwise, we will have to struggle again to free India in true sense of the words. That's all. Thank you very much for paying attention to my humble words.